Fun with connectors. If you're versed in Claude at this point, you're aware there's these connectors that you can have within Claude. For those who don't know, this is how you get to them. You're gonna hit the plus symbol, and then you go up here to connectors, and then go into manage connectors. From there, you're gonna hit the plus button, you're gonna hit browse connector. That opens up this library of just tons and tons of connectors. Naturally, right here is where you search quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and try the Canva one today. So you're gonna wanna hit the plus sign, and that's gonna ask you to allow it. Over on my other browser, it's gonna ask to add it to my team. I'm gonna scroll down, I'm gonna hit allow. Authorization is successful. Following that on your desktop, it says open Claude. Come back over here, and now you can see Canva is connected. Here's where you're gonna have all of your permissions, the tool permissions. You can do stuff like search designs, create an AI design. If you don't want it to have that happen, you just hit the block button. And then of course, if you want to disconnect it, right there's a disconnect button. So I'm gonna go ahead and select CoWork, and I'm gonna see what this Canva connector can actually do. Can you go into the file CoWork missing, which is the title of my last thumb, and create for me a new thumb with the title, quote, this is what connectors are. All right, let's see what happens here. It's starting up. Once again, I'm inside of CoWork. So it says, I don't see the file in my working folders. Based on the content, creating a thumb with a title, it sounds like it could be a Canva design. Let me search for it. And there you go. I can see it's bringing in the CoWork missing thumb. Let me look to the pages and understand the structure before creating a new thumb. Let me take a look at the existing design content so I can understand the structure of the thumb before making changes. So it says right here, it says it ran into an unexpected limitation image. It's tried the duplication API call several times and report success, but the design still says it's 6 pages. Canva's insert pages endpoints appears to silently refuse to duplicate a page from a design back to itself. Here are 3 ways I can get you unstuck. Option A, duplicate the page in Canva yourself, fastest. Option B, let me overwrite the existing thumb. I can edit one of the current thumbs, example page 5. Option C, I build a brand new standalone design. I want it to do the work, so I'm gonna go with option C and see what it gets. Looks like it's generating something here. All right, it says it generated 4 candidate designs for this is what the connectors are. Let's go ahead and go with number 4. I'm gonna click the preview option, click the open link over here. It's gonna open, and there you go. And there is the new thumb that it did. Saved, your new thumb is live in Canva with the title, this is what connectors are. And maybe I'll use it today with this actual video. So yeah, that was fresh out of the box. I have yet to use the Canva actual feature here, but the fact that it was able to create a thumb for me based off of some direction and using the title that I wanted was pretty cool. I wish it would have worked within the file that I had and, you know, try to create something similar, but I think it did a pretty decent job, and it was all once again automated for me just working within Claude CoWork. Once again, y'all, I'm Eric from In Your Hand Media. Follow for more observations like this.